Hey, what's up guys, my name is Nishant. Here in this video I'm gonna show you how you can control your PC with the help of Google Chrome extension. So without further waste your time, let's get started.
Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up?
So before I get started, how about you hit the bell icon? You get notified every time when I post a new video. There are plenty of scenarios and options when it comes to computer remote access. TeamViewer is the great and the recommended specialized program to accomplish this. But there are also similar and possibly less intrusive way like Google's free Chrome remote desktop extension. This is the easiest way. So shall I start the video? To install the Chrome remote desktop, you need to open Google Chrome and search Chrome remote desktop.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head.
Click on the second link, then add to the Chrome button and then add app. After the install, you will have to grant the extension necessary permission and log into Google account. Once you launch the Chrome remote desktop, you will be given two options. The first one, share this computer for another user, and the second, be on control. Now it's pop out to be asked to create a PIN number to protect. After that, you are going to set
Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations they keep
Now you need to install the same application on the smartphone.
begging.
Open Play Store and search Google Chrome remote
Inside the upside
and click that similar application.
and pretend.
Open. As you can see, it's showing your device. Click on the same device. Now it's pop out for pin which we have created. Enter that pin and
It gets ingrained in my head and I
boom.
start.
Now your device is connected to your desktop. As you can see, now I'm controlling my PC with my smartphone with the help of Chrome remote. So that's it from this video guys. I hope you like it. I will see you in the next one. Thanks.